In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use Uber Eats gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to use Uber Eats gift card. In order to use Uber Eats gift card, you'll have to follow the steps. So what you'll need to do is, first of all, you need to open the Uber Eats app and make sure it's the latest version. I'm using web version, so you just have to type in ubereats.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now tap the account icon and select the wallets tab. Tap on the tab bar icon and you could see this is how it's going to look like. So here you go ahead and press the wallets tab, and next thing you want to do is select add payment method. So you just have to go ahead and click on that option. As you do that, select the gift card that you wish to enter it. So click on the receive option. Now enter your gift card code without space and tap on the add button. And after you've added the card, once the gift card is added to your account, it cannot be transferred. Now you cannot reload a gift card, but you can add up to $1,000 in gift card credit to your account. Now Uber gift card only be used where they were purchased. So this way you'll be able to use Uber Eats gift card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.